UniCloak, a unified compliance-aware privacy layer for blockchain. So let's understand the core problem first. As we know, blockchain has no financial privacy. Every transaction is public, permanent, and traceable. Anyone can track your balances, see your wallet activities, copy your trades. The existing protocols that are solving this problem are listed here, like Tornado Cash, Privacy Pools, Railgun, and etc. But what existing protocols don't see? The first is compliance. They either avoid compliance entirely or rely on weak checks like blacklist screening. None verify real world identity using government issued documents in a privacy preserving way. The second is DeFi operations. Most privacy protocols just stop at withdrawal, and there is no offering support for real DeFi actions like swaps, bridges, or cross chain transactions. The third is liquidity fragmentation. Like every chain runs its own isolated privacy pool, users must publicly bridge assets before entering a new pool, leading to fragmented liquidity. So I am introducing UniCloak. UniCloak goes beyond mixers. It enables private compliant DeFi from a single liquidity pool. First thing that it offers is zk-KYC. Users verify once using government issued documents like passports, and their identity can be proved using zero knowledge proofs, and there is and no personal data is going to be revealed on chain. The second is private DeFi operations. Privacy doesn't end at withdrawal. Private swaps, bridging, and cross-chain swaps all are offered by UniCloak. Users never expose their wallet or transaction graph. And unified liquidity pool. No fragmentation. One private pool, multiple chains. Liquidity is stored in a single pool on Mantle. No need to fragment pools per chain. And here you can see comparisons of different protocols, like how each protocol lacks at least one thing in their protocol. And here in the last, this is my project, UniCloak, which offers all of these things. So let's understand how the zk-KYC flow works. The first is zk ID creation. User give the passport, and we using MRZ scanner extracts passport data and create a random secret and create an identity commitment node using passport data and that random secret, and put it in an identity mixer contract on chain. During verification, user have to again reconstruct that identity commitment node, and the smart contract would verify its truthfulness. The private pool flow. The first thing that user after creating ID does is wallet creation. It creates a random nullifier and a random secret and initializes zero balance and creates a balance commitment node using all of these things and put that commitment node in a pool contract. During deposit, user have to again reconstruct the identity commitment node plus the balance commitment node plus new commitment with new balance and put it and give it to the pool contract. The pool contract will pull the USDC from the depositor and then stores the balance in the pool. During withdrawal, the same ZK proof will be created, but this time the transaction will be broadcasted to the blockchain using a relayer. And then the pool contract will verify all the checks and then transfer the USDC to the recipient. Private DeFi operations. During swap, the pool contract will call the WuFi router and swap the USDC to the desired token and give it to the recipient. During bridge, the USDC will be bridged using the Stargate contract and finally given to the recipient. During cross swap, the pool will first bridge the USDC to the destination chain, and on the destination chain we have a cross chain messenger contract which will be called by a relayer to finally pass the USDC received on the destination chain to the WuFi router, and the WuFi router will finally after swapping pass it to the recipient. So in this way, nobody on another chain or on Mantle can know who actually is the sender. Now, let's understand what I am doing and what is my final vision. Like in ZK KYC, I'm using just passport. I'm just scanning the passport using the MRZ scanner in my web app, and using that passport data, I'm creating a commitment. But there is no check that the passport data is authentic. A user could tamper the input, use someone else's passport number, etc. The true vision is to use a biometric passport, because using biometric passport chip plus cryptographic PKI validation to prove a passport is genuine without revealing the raw data. Biometric passports with NFC chips store biographical data, biometrics, and a document security object (SOD) digitally signed by the issuing state. So the SOD contains hashes of passport data and a state signature that can be validated using public key from a trusted PKI directory without leaking data off the device. This means passport authenticity can be verified cryptographically, and the passport cannot be forged if SOD validation passes. All work can be done on the user's device with local keys without sending personal data. And if we see the previously defined market size, you can see Tornado has around $700 million worth of TVL. Railgun has $100 million. Aztec Network has around $7 million. The ZKP or previously tech market is around $1.2 billion in 2025, and it is going to be around $6.1 billion plus in 2030 with a 38% CAGR. And let's understand why is UniCloak good for Mantle. And UniCloak positions Mantle as the privacy hub. There is no native privacy layer exists on Mantle today yet, and UniCloak becomes foundational privacy infrastructure. Other dApps even can build on top of it, like payments, payroll, trading, etc. This also consolidates liquidity on Mantle. Liquidity will live on Mantle, not fragmented across chains. One private USDC pool on Mantle, cross-chain swaps, bridges route through Mantle. This will increase TVL and also align with Mantle's vision to be liquidity chain of the future. And this also promotes regulation forward privacy that institutions and serious users can adopt. There is this ZKKYC using government issued documents, and this aligns with Mantle's long-term institutional vision too. The last thing is about me. I am Pushkar Kumar, a third year undergrad doing BS in physics from IIT Roorkee. I was also the winner in Chainlink Chromium Hackathon and ETH Global Agentic Ethereum, and was also a member of Protocol Labs Dev Guild Cohort 4. I'm also an IIT JEE Advanced 2023 qualified. I was among the top 1% shortlisted candidates from around 1.2 million test takers nationwide. The JEE is one of the world's most competitive undergrad entrance exam that tests physics, chemistry, and chemistry at advanced problem solving depth. So this is all about me, and hope you liked the whole project and demo.